The earlier you know this, the better for you. Seriously. Nobody has the key to go viral on YouTube. I said so. Nobody. That's why when I see people that are teaching people how to go viral, when they themselves have not gone viral, I'm surprised. Seriously. I'm surprised. Nobody knows the secrets to going viral on YouTube or any social media platform. You get? That's why when you see some people going viral, they are happy because they did not expect it. If you ask them, they will tell you that they did not do anything, or they are surprised, just like you. You get? So nobody knows the secret. You can do a video and YouTube will push it to millions of people. You can do a video and the video will just be there. So nobody really knows the secret of going viral. All I will keep advising you is this. Just, even though I do a video today and the video goes viral, I'm having 1 million views on that video, I will not come here and start teaching you how to go viral because I have a video that went viral. So if I know the secret of going viral, why are my other videos not going viral? Why did my other videos not go viral if I really know the secret? So the thing still remains in YouTube. That is what I believe. That is what I think. It still remains in the hands of YouTube if your video is going viral or not. And it also remains in the hands of the people that YouTube pushes your video to. If YouTube push your video to people and then they are not interested, they are swiping, they are not watching your videos at all, a time will come, YouTube will stop recommending that video. It will leave it. It will just be there. You get? So if you post a video and then for the first 1,000 people that saw that thumbnail, out of 1,000, 300, 400, they are interested, they watch it, it will be like, oh, there is something in this video that people are interested in. They will push it to more people. You get? So that is how it works. There is no secret. Sometimes I'm surprised when I'm seeing videos on do this to go viral. See, if your video goes viral, it's not because you did something that somebody else have not done before. Please, people should stop. I understand though. I know why people are doing this. It's to get views, because last that is what people want. You get? That's what they want to see. They just want to watch and they want to know why. You get? I know of somebody that went viral on this YouTube street, and that video gave her subscribers. When I say subscribers, I mean subscribers. She got subscribers, and you know, when your video goes viral, your channel will be booming somehow. It will be booming. New people will be coming to your channel. You will be happy. So before I knew it, she did a video on this is what I did to go viral. I say, you don't usually like that. What did you do that you have not been doing before? That video, sometimes it can just be the thumbnail or the topic that is attractive to people. Then they will just want to watch and know what you talked about in that video. And somebody else can also copy that your video, that exactly the topic and the thumbnail. They will do it on their channel and their video will not move. It will not go viral. So what are we not saying? You get? So it's not because there is one special thing you did, because that thing that you think is special that you did, somebody else has also done it, but the person's video is still there. It's still in one particular place. So it happens. So guys, that is it. I just want to let you guys know. So you have to be careful. It's not all videos that you just see. You have to go viral. You want to go and start watching. So one advice I'll just give to you is this: keep posting quality content, valuable content. That is it. Keep posting quality content and valuable content. Make sure your camera is clear. Make sure people are seeing your face clearly. Just be doing your thing. You get? Be doing your thing. One day everything will change for your good. You get? So that is it for this video, guys. That is it. It's a very short video, and I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. Thank you guys for your continuous support. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.